What? Di pa ako handa.
You never said that you'd stay forever. So if you must go, darling, I'll set you free. I know in time we'll be together. I won't try to stop you now from leaving, 'cause in my heart I know love will lead you back. Someday I just know that love will lead you back to my arms, where you belong. I'm sure, sure as stars are shining, one day you will find me again. It won't be long. One of these days our love will lead you back. One of these nights I'll hear your voice again. You're gonna say how much you miss me. You walk out this door, but someday you'll walk back in. But darling, I know this will be. Sometimes it's
Napagdala sa akin ganito. May mali ba sa akin? Mahirap ba akong mahalin? Siguro. Pero sa tingin ko, ang pagmamahalan mo, hindi pa nagtatagal. Hintayin mo lang. Papagod na kasi ako eh. Natatakot ako na baka dumating yung araw na wala na akong ibang maramdaman dahil sa nasasaktan to. Dahil sa nararamdaman nito. Baka makagalit na lang yung matira.
Sometimes it takes
Ang sakit sa
sometimes you
akin.
on your own now to find your way.
Sana hindi. Ako ang asawa mo, ako ang una, ako ang legal. Pero hindi ko maramdaman yun.
Wala akong alam sa sinasabi.
Sabi, huwag mo akong gawing tanga. Sawang-sawa na ako, pagod na ako.
Shut up! Sawang-sawa na din ako.
Love will lead you back. Someday I just know that love will lead you back to my arms, where you belong. I'm sure, sure as stars are shining, one day you will find me again. It won't be long. One of these days our love will lead you back.
Kung galing ng ukay-ukay ang damit ko, at least, hindi ako kumakain ng tira-tira. At lalo naman, hindi ako nangaagaw ng lollipop na may lollipop. Nakakadiri yun, di ba? Nalawayan ng iba.
I will try
Ang gusto ko,
to stop you
yung
now
akin
from
at
leaving,
una naging akin.
'cause
How dare you!
I know,
Sa ginawa mo yan, hindi lang ako sinira.
I know
Pati batang musmus, tinanggalan mo ng karapatang maligaya.